No, liposuction should never be an ideal choice for treating obesity or overweight. Liposuction is an option for body contouring and to reduce excessive body fat from certain areas which are resistant to diet and exercise. So you should always look at other ways of losing weight if you are obese, like for example diet, exercise, or even you can even consider bariatric surgery, or even medications like Ozempic, which is now the latest craze in the market, that is semaglutide. That also helps in achieving good weight loss. Once you have your weight loss done, achieved normal weight, then you can consider liposuction for those areas which are not responding to these measures. So you can tone up your body, shape up your body, and get into great shape.